position that you think you sit on, and do a better and credible job. Thank you.
Let us hear the Deputy Speaker of the Nairobi County Assembly.
Thank you very much. Members of the press, you can see Jubilee is here. As our Secretary General has alluded, those guys you saw yesterday were doing their presser, I don't know, somewhere maybe in the bush, because I was just seeing trees. This is where Jubilee is. And members of the press, please be captioning what is right. Usiwage unaandika ile tu ambaye unafikiria ama umeambiwa nini. Look, this is where we have all kind of people. The people you saw there, where they were all in suits. Walikuwa wametoka kwa maofisi. But here is where you are seeing hata wale watu wa chini. Jubilee is not made up from watu wa masutu wa maofisi peke yake. This is where we have the grassroots leaders here from Mathare. We have grassroots leaders from Embakasi. But in that group, whom can you tell me came from the slums or from anywhere in Nairobi? The party is not made up by people who are in offices. The party is made up from people who are down there. As you can see here, we are behind our party leader, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, and our Secretary General, Jeremiah Kioni. And please caption that. Na tafadhali muwaelezee kama wanataka kukuja tutapambana. Atuachilii chama kwa wakora ambayo wamenunuliwa waende wakauze chama kwa watu wa UDA. We know, even us, some of us, and I don't know why zile pesa wanataka kutupatia hawapatii hawa hustlers. They've come even to us as members of the county assembly. I can attest here. They've come to my house. They want me to go and to give me something so that I give a presser. And please, I have been elected for the last, this is my 6th term.
Wow.
Na mimi nimekaa nikiwa ngumu. So they should learn. Some of them ni watu wamechaguliwa juzi. Me from 1997 I've been holding a position, an elected position, not nominated. Was elected on a KANU ticket, but that is 1997. In 2002 I came in na ile chama ya Mwiru. So the power is with the people down there. They should know the power is not with the courts or where they are going to get ka 50 ama uto tu pesa kidogo wanapata. Let them go back to the people. Let's allow NDC to prevail. Wale chama inataka ndio wataingia. Wale wananchi wanataka, because even us, we were voted by the Azimio coalition down there. I cannot sell my Azimio conviction because of some few coins. Zile hazitafikia watu kule chini. Kina Wanjiru Chege, I had respected that lady for so long, lakini sikujua ati hawa watu wanaweza kuwa cheap namna hiyo. And if you go, most of these people wanarukaruka hivi because some of them, nasikia wengine walikuwa wameguzwa na ile sijui COVID, sijui makesi za COVID. Go and look at those people. Wale wako pande ile, some have petitions. Kwa hivyo some have just rushed there that side because they want to save themselves, not the people and not on behalf of this party. Kwa hayo machache na mengi, asanteni, Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.